Dear students, I think you're working hard to get good marks in board exams. So I'm here to tell you few tips to get good marks in political science. First and foremost thing is to prepare objective type questions from each and every chapter, especially boxes. Practice maps, assertion reasons, cartoons and passage-based questions. Focus on national and international issues. Improve your writing skill. Prepare short notes on important topics in your own words. This will help you to remember your answers. Go through plenty of sample papers. Study from your notes in addition to your textbooks. Assign specific time for revision. Last but not the least, believe in yourself and have faith in your ability. All the best for your board exams. God bless you.